Hello, ladies and gentlemen, all in between. Welcome back to Meatball Plays. Today, we continue my hunt for... You've got to be kidding me. It didn't hold! Is anyone dead? Is everyone okay? I hope so. Well, the tabbies got out. There's still one missing. Doesn't make me feel alright at all. You rascals. Just eat your sacrifices. And don't speak to me. And the new chickadoos going there. And eat the sacrifices. Oh god, no. I will destroy you. I swear, I need protective armor. Yeah, even now they're trying to get out. So, we're gonna put an air net on that. Ooh! Well, alright. Gotta get rid of all but 2 of you guys. Sorry, but it's for the greater good. Ow. And 6 of you. 2, 3, 4. That's pretty much all of you. Whatever. Hear that, chickens? You'll live yet another day. But the clock's ticking. I'm terrible. So now we are out to feed and collect some phosphors. And any cats and such we find along the way. And chickens! Where are the phosphors? There should be phosphorus around. I swear. Where are the phosphors? Did they all run away? Did they do the smart thing? Yeah, no. Nope, that's not a thing that I want. No! No! The phosphors! Go away, Tar. This is my land. Well... that's not good. Well, at least we got chickadoos. Hopefully some of them will grow up into roosters. I got 1 phosphor slime? This is unacceptable. We need more. We require more phosphors. That was an unsuccessful venture. We only found hens and chickadoos. And there are too many hens. We need the tabbies. You. Give me something. Make yourself useful. There are only two things we should be getting right now. And those are Phosphor Plorts, Phosphor Slimes, and Tabbies. Phosphors! No. Phosphor. Don't do this to me. Where's the other phosphor? No! No! You will not eat such a thing. Those are bad for you. Fine. Might as well collect these. Hi. There are no phosphors! We need 7 more. Dear Lord in heaven. Well, can you eat these, please? Do not fly away from me! I am talking to you! How you feel? Ow! I was just checking up on you! What is my life worth if I can't even get phosphors? Actually, I didn't check further inland yet. Be gone. Oh my god, I'm terrible. I'm a terrible person. Phosphor, no, you will not eat that. You're mine and mine alone. 2. They just keep eating. They just keep eating. They just keep eating. Go away. If there isn't a stockpile of them here, then this whole venture is pointless. Stockpile. Hello. You're mine. But there are towers here. Doesn't help my cause. Go away. Oh, you like chickens, do you? I didn't get enough phosphors. This is nonsense. Well then, until next time, I am going to look for tabbies. Maybe more stuff so they could do that. Find some more phosphor slimes before the exchange runs out, and we can get sweet cash, etc., etc. So, until next time, I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye-bye.